My name is Gary Logatetta, and I'm a 54-year resident of Clear Lake, city of Clear Lake. My wife and I were out on a motorcycle ride. I was delivering posters for a poker run we were doing through the high school. And over by the state park, we saw these two fellows on 10 speeds, and we slowed down, and they went around a couple cars, and then we started to speed up again, and one of them just darted right in front of me. I had no warning at all. He went flying, and my wife went shooting off the bike. My wife was fine, not even a scratch on her. His pedal hit my ankle and shattered my ankle. And then I started dealing with their lawyers, his insurance company's lawyers, and they always try to lowball you. They try to offer you this minimal amount of money, and I just wasn't going to play that game. We kept going back and forth, and I finally told him, I said, if you can't up the ante a little bit to make it reasonable for my injuries, then I just can't be a part of that. And I've known Jesse for many, many years, and I know his integrity. I knew him from high school and so on, and even before that. He never slacked at anything. It was like he knew the games they were playing, and he wasn't allowing them to play those games at all, and he kept telling them, this is what happened, this is what we need. He had me go to the best specialists around in the North Bay, and to have specialists look at my ankle and the damage, and they all agreed it was not just like a little break, it was major damage, and he kept right on the companies. I didn't feel like he's just trying to give me some money and get out of the way, move on to the next. It was like he took his time. He was very personable, very accommodating. He wanted to be invested. You're entrusting a lawyer or a firm to a specific injury or a portion of your life that was very damaging, emotionally, physically, time-wise, the whole deal. I mean, I was home for several months. Jesse, in this whole office, everybody was very accommodating, and the amount was totally fair. I didn't think that I could look at this guy in the eye and, have him think that, I was cheating him. It was a wonderful experience. It was kind of scary going into it first, not knowing what to expect. But again, he just reassured me the whole time. 5 stars, 10 stars, 1,000 stars. I would highly recommend the Law Office of J.Chrisp. From Greg to the secretaries to everybody else, it was like anytime I called, it was like, sure, here, let me get Jesse for you. Let me give him a message. You want to talk to Greg? They cared about me as a person more than, their percentage or my percentage. I was somebody to them more than a number.